Forge Eagle. How to change the combination. Step 1. Hold the lock with the Forge logo side facing you. Set the dials to the factory default code 000 on the side of the lock. Then press the side button to open it. Step 2. On the back side of the lock, there is a silver switch directly beneath the dials. Flip this switch to the right using a pen. Step 3. Move the dials to your new combination. The new combination shown in the video is 1, 2, 3. Make sure the dials click exactly into place, otherwise you may not be able to open the lock later. Please confirm this is the combination you want to set and keep it in a secure place. You can write it down or take a photo in case you forget. Step 4. Once the combination is confirmed, use a pen to flip the switch back to the left. Your new lock combination 1, 2, 3 has been set successfully.